You are tuned into the 5-Minute Signal. I am Aris Sterling, performance research expert. This is not a health podcast. This is your maintenance manual for the body. We don't do hope here. We do reality. 5 minutes on the clock. Let's get to work. The news today comes from a sobering data set released over this past weekend at a major global cardiology summit. Researchers have identified what they are calling the Circadian Glitch. For decades, the high-performance community and the general public alike have relied on the concept of sleep debt. The idea that if you burn the candle at both ends from Monday to Friday, you can simply repay that debt by sleeping 10 hours on Saturday and Sunday. The new data suggests this isn't just a myth, it is a cardiovascular hazard. Specifically, the study tracked arterial stiffness and heart rate variability in individuals who shifted their wake times by more than 90 minutes on weekends. The results showed a marked increase in vascular resistance that persisted well into Tuesday. Why it matters is simple. Your heart is a slave to a rhythm that does not recognize the concept of a weekend. When you drastically shift your sleep-wake cycle, you create a state of internal dyssynchrony. Your master biological clock in the brain is telling your systems it is mid-morning, while your peripheral clocks in your heart and liver are still stuck in a metabolic midnight. This glitch forces the heart to work against higher pressure at the exact moment you try to jumpstart your week on Monday morning. In the world of longevity, we aren't looking for comfort, we are looking for systemic stability. If you are chasing peak performance, you cannot afford a vascular system that is essentially jet-lagged every single week without ever leaving your zip code. The hard truth is one most of you will hate. You cannot bank sleep. The human body is not a savings account. It is a precision-tuned engine that requires a consistent operating temperature. By sleeping in on the weekends, you aren't recovering. You are actually inducing a state of social jet lag. This creates a recurring inflammatory spike. We see it in the data. The highest rate of cardiac events occurs on Monday mornings. This isn't just due to work stress. It's due to the biological chaos caused by 48 hours of circadian inconsistency. If you think you are doing yourself a favor by catching up, you are actually putting unnecessary mileage on your heart valves and arteries. Reliability is the price of longevity. The actionable move for this Tuesday is to implement the Anchor Wake protocol immediately. First, identify your anchor time. This is the latest possible time you can wake up during the week to meet your professional obligations. You must commit to waking up within 30 minutes of this time, 7 days a week, regardless of when you went to bed. Second, use light as a hard reset. Within 15 minutes of that anchor wake time, seek high-intensity blue light or direct sunlight. This pins your master clock and prevents the glitch from drifting. Third, if you are truly exhausted, take a strategic 20-minute tactical nap between 1 and 3 p.m. rather than extending your morning sleep. This preserves your sleep pressure for the following night without shifting your entire cardiac rhythm. Consistency is the only currency your biology respects. Stop trying to negotiate with your internal clock. I'm Aris Sterling. This has been the 5-Minute Signal. Stay sharp. This program is for informational and educational purposes only. Performance research expert Aris Sterling is not a licensed medical professional. This content is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making any health-related decisions.